Hey Jackson, where are we going? What's that? We're gonna jump in the snow? Are you gonna help me shovel? Shovel. All right, let's go. Let's go. You lead the way. I'll follow you. Go ahead. Okay, let's go jump in the snow. Can you shovel? No. Come on. Come on. Help me shovel. Dump it out. Shovel. Show me how you shovel. All right. Good job. Jump in the snow. 1, 2, 3, jump. Can you jump? Up, down.
Jump.
Oh, that was a good jump. Can you help shovel some more? Oh, good shoveling. Good job. Uh-oh. Dust your fingers off. There you go.
Mittens on.
Mittens on.